In this video, we will talk about how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is get access to your notiontemplate.com website. Once you will be there, log in your account. After it, you will see the same interface like me. And now what I will do, I will get access to my templates, which I created on Notion. If you take a look on the left side, here you can see the option of workspaces. It's a template which I created now in order to sell it on Gumroad. What I need to do is I need to click on it. And here is my template, and it's for class schedule. Now take a look on the right top. You will see different options from these. Click on the option Share once. You will click on the option Share. Here you can see the option of Copy Link. Click on it. Now the link has been copied. Move to the Gumroad, and here you can see different options on the left side. From here, tap on the option Product after clicking on the option Product, if you have product on Gumroad. Then all the list will be here, but if you don't have, then it will be empty like mine. Now, in order to sell it, click on the option New Product, and here you have to enter the name of your product, just like I will do right Notion template. From this, you have to select this option Digital Product. Scroll down, and here is the pricing. Click on it and choose the currency in which you want to get payment. Just like I will select US dollar. After it, I will write a price for my product. Just for example, I even write $50 after it. If I scroll up, here you can see the option to customize. Click on it. It's a description of your product. If you want to write the description, then write using AI. After writing the description, this one is the URL of Gumroad website. I will not add any URL. And if you want, then you can add, it's a cover picture option. If you want to add, then click on it and upload images. And I will recommend you to upload images if you have, because it will leave a good impact on the customer. Scroll down, and here is the thumbnail. If you have, then click on it and add. Below, you will see the product info, call to action button. I want this, or like if I click on it, buy this or pay, select any of these. And then here is the summary. You can write the summary by yourself. And this one is the additional detail. And it's an important feature of your product. If you want to add an additional detail, then click on it and add. But for now, I will let it be as it is. The amount will be the same, and here is the option of custom domain. If you have, then add the custom domain. But I don't have. So that's why I will let it be as it. Now, click on the option Continue. The last thing is here you need to paste the URL of your template, which I copied. Here you can see Template Study Book. And the last thing is click on the option Publish and Continue. Now you can see the product has been published. I can click on the option Save and Change, and now the product has been published. And here you can see, when I come to the product, here is my template and the price of it is $50. And it was the way by which you can sell Notion templates in Gumroad.